This old guy DIY video offers proof of a Raptor using the Raptor pole I installed at a hot chick's house 7 days ago. So I got a call this morning. The hot chick said, "There's a red-tailed hawk sitting on top of that tallest pole that you put in." So I asked her to grab the camera and get some evidence. So she's about 150 yards away from the bird when she shot this video with her camera. And you can see the bird chose to sit right at the top of the 30-foot pole rather than 15 feet off the ground where I put the nice ergonomically designed crossbar. So as the guys on the internet indicated, the birds prefer the higher perch, but the red-tailed hawk is up there today. He looks happy, so I took this opportunity to share it with you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.